What's up, everybody? My name is Ralph Johnson, and welcome to another episode of Ralph Johnson Photography. I have one question for you. Why are you beating yourself up? Anyways, guys, the reason why I asked this question is you're beating yourself up over your photography, okay? Your photography is great, some of it, and some, the stuff you guys send me that I see, fine, okay? What I'm mainly talking about here, though, is that you know what you did that day. You know what went wrong. You know all of the other stuff. You know what you were trying to accomplish, okay? What you actually shot and what you were trying to accomplish may not be the same thing. And that's where you're beating yourself up at, which you shouldn't be. Because photography is a constantly learning experience, okay? If we get something wrong, well then guess what? We got a digital DSLR. We can go delete and get a, another image if we want. If we're using a film camera, well, we can't do that as well, but we can learn from that mistake. All I'm saying is learn from your mistakes, make it better the next time, okay? Like, for example, I mainly shoot sports and people, okay? Every once in a while I'll do some elephants at the zoo or elephant sanctuaries in Tennessee or something like that when I live in Missouri, Illinois. Anyways, sidetrack, let's get back. Alright, anyways, pretty much stop beating yourself up over your images that you don't think are good. You don't have to show them to anybody, so therefore, if you're doing this for a paid gig and none of them turn out, well then you may want to rethink about being a photographer, in my opinion. But overall, you're going to get the shots that you need if it's a paid gig. I mean, I can take 4,200 shots. You think all 4,200 of them shots are going to be good? No, they're not. I'm going to have probably 1,000 that I really want to keep. Okay? The rest will stay on my computer, and I probably look at them every year as an anthology type thing. Oh wow, I did this. This is how I learned. Okay? But that's also a good thing, guys. Really, it is. I mean, because if you're looking at the stuff, and learning from your experiences and see how far you've grown as a photographer from that first photo you took with your first camera to the latest camera that you have with the latest photo that you've taken with it, you're going to see that growth. I mean, my first shot with this camera was actually 2 dead fish heads, which I don't know if I should show you guys that because of grossness of it. 2 dead fish heads and stuff like that. My last shot with this camera so far has been a engagement couple, so I'll probably show you the fish heads. I'll see if I can get permission to show you the engagement couple. So anyways, with that, like I said, don't beat yourself up too hard, guys. Photography is a learning experience, and keep it that way. And if you have any understanding of what's actually on my shirt, the exposure triangle, okay, you're going to make this work most of the time, and you're going to have a good exposed shot. Now, is a good exposed shot really the right shot? In some cases yes, in some cases no. Like, for example, if you're shooting just the moon and wanting to get craters on the moon, according to your camera, a perfectly exposed shot's going to not be the same that is going to get what you want. So you're going to have to adapt from there. Or if you're shooting in a very contrasty area to where there's super bright whites and then super black blacks, your camera's not going to be able to adjust for all of that. So you're going to have to figure out, 1, what you want, and 2, how to get that proper exposure. So there is still a lot of guessing with photography, and that's why you shouldn't beat yourself up. Photography for me is my job, and it's also fun for me. But the reason why it's fun is because it is my job. Okay? If that makes any sense. I get to see completely different things all the time, and I enjoy doing it all the time. So anyways, guys, with that being said, my name is Ralph Johnston. If you want the shirt like this, I do sell these. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get them. Anyways, that's, if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, why haven't you? Hit that subscribe button. Also, guys, that's all I got to say this week. So without further ado, peace out. Bye.